Let's make carne con chile with potatoes. Add to jalapeno 5 green tomatoes and 1 red tomato. Bring to a boil. Cut your meat into bite sizes. Cut your onions into slices. Add the onions seasoned with salt and pepper. Add an onion and your tomatoes to a blender. Add garlic and salt, then blend.
Be a baller, you can laugh if you want to. 我实在是不敢偷了 'cause I can't afford to. 想进步就是辛苦
Add a handful of cilantro. Wash your potatoes. Dice your potatoes. Add your potatoes to the meat.
Feet apart, keep your eye on the target. Elbows in with a touch of a scarlet. Follow through, it's your end at the bargain. Watch you spin you the fuck out of collar. I'm beginning to feel like a catharsis.
Add your refried beans, milk, salt, pepper, and garlic to a pan cooked till smooth.
Say it again, what you scared of? You don't wanna know the truth. You don't wanna know the truth. You don't wanna know the truth. Never really liked the sing it from your chest.
When potatoes are soft, add the green salsa. Let simmer for 15 minutes.
Serve
Serve and enjoy. Follow for more.